I'm attorney Nick Alcock. This video is about misdemeanor assault in Arizona. Assault can be broken into a variety of different categories, and misdemeanor assault is one of those offenses that's broken into 3 levels. Level 1, 2, and 3 for misdemeanors. It's different than felony assault. Felony assault would be an assault on a police officer, choking somebody, causing serious injury, breaking bones, that type of thing, pointing a gun at somebody. So if you have to go to a city court or a justice court, you're probably charged with a misdemeanor assault. If you have to go to superior court, you're charged with a felony assault usually. So those misdemeanor offenses can be broken into 3 different categories. Usually, category number 1 is the most common. That's causing an injury to another person, and that's a class 1 misdemeanor. Now that can be done recklessly as well. It doesn't have to be an intentional act. So if you recklessly cause the injury of another person, you could be charged with a class 1 misdemeanor, and technically speaking, you could be facing up to 6 months in jail. Class 2 and class 3 types of offenses are for scaring somebody, making them afraid that they're going to suffer some type of injury, or touching somebody for the class 3 misdemeanor with the intent to injure, insult, or provoke them. And that touch could be something just provocative, like in a bar, like "get off me" or "what are you doing?" No injury, but it's still an offense, it's still a criminal conviction. And a lot of people, when they're charged with assault, they're like, I don't understand, why am I charged with assault? I don't get it. This isn't fair because I didn't hurt anybody. I just told the guy to back off and I put one finger on him. That can result in you being charged with that class 3 misdemeanor. Typically speaking, for assault cases, it's very rare for people to get the type of jail time, which is the maximum end of jail time that you can get. So for example, say that you injure somebody in a bar fight, not a serious injury, no broken bones, but they're really injured, and you're charged with a class 1 misdemeanor. Most people don't face that 6-month type of sentence that is theoretically possible. On a class 2, 4 months is the maximum. Class 3, 1 month is the maximum. Very, very unusual for that to happen. If you are charged with a misdemeanor assault in Arizona, it's always a good idea to give us a call, 602-989-5000, for a free telephonic consultation. Even if your plan is to go to court by yourself, and even if you don't want to hire an attorney, we're happy to speak with you. We talk to clients all the time, and just give them some pointers, because you can walk into court, have a conversation with the prosecutor and say, hey, I didn't hurt him, I didn't mean to hurt him, I just told him back off and I pushed him. And that would actually be a confession for a crime, for that class 3 misdemeanor. Same thing goes like, hey, I didn't really hurt him, I just wanted to scare him. Well, that's a class 2 misdemeanor. Or hey, it's not like I tried to kill him, or it's not like I caused any serious injury. Well, if you say something like that, then you're basically pleading, you're confessing to the class 1 misdemeanor. We want to give you those pointers and give you a little bit of advice before you go to court. And if you do hire us and we go to court for you, normally you don't say a word and we do all the talking and we protect our clients. We're very, very familiar with these cases, and we offer affordable payments, affordable fees, and I know that we could help you out a great deal if you're charged with one of these offenses. 602-989-5000 is the number. That's 602-989-5000. Thanks so much for watching.